everyone. Today we are going to work on being mindful. What is mindfulness? Mindfulness means paying attention with kindness and patience to what's going on inside and outside of you right now. The term monkey mind means feeling restless, agitated, and distracted. A goal of mindfulness practice is to calm the constant chatter of the monkey mind. How do I become mindful? You can be mindful by noticing your breathing, focusing your attention, expanding your awareness, and being patient even when things are hard. So just like in the classroom, remember we had our tone bar that we used, and we also used the Mindful Kids cards. So today, before we get started on our mindful card, we are going to use our tone bar. And remember, for as long as you're hearing the sound of the bar, you're really thinking about what I'm prompting you to think about. Your prompt today is to think about all the things you are thankful and grateful for while you are hearing the sound. So again, as you are hearing the tone bar sound, you are thinking about all the things you're grateful and thankful for. If you would like, you can close your eyes and really think deeply, or if you prefer to keep your eyes open, that's totally fine. That's a personal choice. So let's get started. Remember, as you hear the sound, you're thinking of all the ways you're thankful and grateful. Here we go. Awesome job, guys. I'm sure you had lots of things that you thought about during that time and many things that you're thankful and grateful for. So now let's move on to our mindful card. Today we're going to do Heart Garden. Heart Garden, and you are going to plant seeds of happiness within your heart. So remember, just like in class, I will read through the card and it'll walk you step by step to become more mindful. So let's get started. Sit mindfully with your spine straight and your body relaxed. Think of a word that makes you smile, like butterfly, rainbow, or watermelon. Repeat it to yourself. Imagine planting your word like a seed in your heart. Repeat your word and imagine watering the seed in your heart garden. Continue saying your word and imagine the seed opening and growing in your heart. What does it become? Finish this exercise when your happiness seed has finished growing. True happiness comes from inside of you. You can plant happiness for yourself. Awesome job. Now, to end this mindful activity, let's take 3 deep breaths. Remember, you breathe in, expand your ribs, and breathe it all out. All your worries go away. Let's go. Breathe in. Breathe in. One more. Awesome job, guys. Hopefully that made you a little more happier today with a thankful, grateful, happy heart. Keep up the great work. I love ya.